like, as we introduce the next award, this is one that's the Schram Award, the Dick Schram Community Relations Award. It's presented as a memorial to Dick Schram, a former Blue Angel and a longtime member of the airshow community. It's awarded each year to recognize the military shows that use their events to establish and improve stronger community relationships where they are located. It's more than a simple military air show of the year. It showcases the purpose behind every air show in North America.
This year's Schram Award recipient is an air show that did the big things well, did the little things well, and used their show to make a positive and lasting impact on their local community. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Dick Schram Memorial Community Relation Award winner is
the Raider County Open House Ellsworth Air Force Base Air Show.
First show in 7 years due to operational limitations and COVID. This show marked a number of important milestones, including the 80th anniversary of Ellsworth Air Force Base, the 80th anniversary of the Doolittle Raid, the 75th anniversary of the Air Force, the 35th anniversary of B-1s at Ellsworth.
The first air show, after being named as first base to receive the Air Force's newest strategic bomber, the B-21 Raider, and Ellsworth's vision was to deliver a multi-day, top-tier event focused on enhancing public awareness of military readiness, to demonstrate weapons systems capabilities, to promote positive community relations, to showcase their airmen and military members, and support the United States Air Force recruiting and retention. Ellsworth Air Force Base was able to leverage partnerships to bring in 8 small technology businesses to complement the more than 65 organizations participating in the STEAM offerings.
This provided exposure of guests to new fields of science while laying a foundation of future collaborations with the Department of Defense. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2022 winner of the Dick Schram Memorial Community Relations Award, the Raider Country Open House in Ellsworth Air Force Base. Congratulations.
Do you have any comments?
I just want to say thank you to ICAS, thank you to everybody who made this possible. All the resources here, it truly was a team effort, an ICAS team effort, our community team, and the amazing team that we had on the military side. So, thank you.